Mafia 3, GTA 5, Uncharted 4, Watch Dogs 1 and 2. These are some of the games that inspired me to start making my own games. As you know me or not, I'm a storyteller. That's what I do. I used to make music, and one day I came across 3D design through Blender, and I said to myself that one day I would be able to create my own games. At first I was thinking about animations, but then I realized that I wanted something more, and RPG games was the chosen path for me. So this is it. This is the beginning of me showing you what I plan to do. I already wrote the story, already have all the ideas down on paper and documents. Now it's just a matter of putting this game together, and I hope you guys sit down, enjoy the ride with me, as I will be posting all the development, everything, all the difficulties that I will find along the way, bearing in mind that I'm not a coder. I design, and even as a designer, I'm very aware that I'm not the best designer in the world, but I'm aware of my limitations, but I'm not gonna let that stop me from doing what I wanna do. And I am so excited because I have this vision in my mind of a game that will be cool to play, and it will be even cooler for me to present it to you guys, my creation, or at least do my best to make sure that that happens, and at the same time be able to share with you all the process of creating it from scratch. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Like I said, I will be posting episodes, and in each episode I will show you a little bit more of the progress. It will be mainly design because that's the part that I'm better at. Obviously, I'm not a coder, so I will have to hire someone to do it in the meantime. But like I said, I'm positive about what I have in mind doing, and I just can't wait to show you guys each and every episode of the process of me creating all the assets that I'm planning on using for this game. And with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please, now is the opportunity to do it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button so you can be notified every single time I post a new video. And again, I hope you guys are just as excited as I am, because the future looks bright. And with that being said, I'll see you on the next video. Take care.